What motivated this song, sir?
Well, first of all, this song is really a cover, a song that's been around for many, many years, a big favorite of many, many people who just really love the lyrics of this one. Because again, this one is really talking about some of the people that matters most, which is the people who work and build up this nation. See? The hard-working people. But most of those people are people that are referred to as the uncounted heads.
True.
People who, remember. People forget about them because they're not important. But the truth is, when the man saying the song to the common foot soldiers, really it's about some poor people who are them at the backbone of the society, but not being mentioned all the time.
Definitely.
So this song is talking about all of that, and that's why it's such a powerful song. It was written by the Rolling Stones, Keith Richards, but made popular by one called Mr. Johnny Adams. And now the reggae version, and so far it had one good, my youth, see?
Yeah, the reggae version that's going to take it to a platinum standard because listen, Mr. Richard Stevens, when we started on the interview, I said that you motivated and inspired some great minds out of Saglamar, Westmoreland. I was born in Kingston, but we moved to Westmoreland, so we represent Westmoreland. And today, I'm proud to be standing by Mr. Stevens. I'm proud to be able to pull this song up again. Because when I said let's drink to the hard-working people, I think I define that. As an award-winning Jamaican-born author that's going against all the odds to make sure that I am chasing the American dream to help lift the Jamaican flag a little bit higher. So I'm going to take a little toast to myself because, yeah, we're hard-working people.